On this episode, I'll show you how to bring life back to your grill and add a Red H. To get the grill off, you do have to take your bumper off. And then on the back of the grill, there should be 2 Phillips heads on each side. So then we'll just slide right out. So we got this Rust OEM trim and bumper paint. I was looking for the Meguiar's backed black paint, but I couldn't find it. And then I tried to order it on Amazon, but it's gonna take like 10 ever. So just picked this up at Walmart. It was like 10 bucks. We'll see how this does. So to take your H off, there's actually some rivets on the back. Since we're not gonna use this H, we're gonna just take this one off. I'm just using some needle nose, breaking off the backs. And then I'll take a flathead. And this should just pop right off. So I'm gonna wipe this down with some degreaser, and then this should be ready to put some coats on. I'm pretty sure you don't need any sort of primer. Actually, it does say you need some primer, but we're not gonna primer. So I cleaned this off pretty well. I'm just gonna start with a couple of light coats. So after just 2 coats, I think this looks pretty good. Okay, so for the Red H, this is the part number. This one comes with those prongs that we cut off. But when you put it on here, you're gonna notice that it doesn't line up correctly. So we're gonna just snip these off and then use the double-sided tape to tape it on here. You might even have to use a Dremel to get those nice and flat. Well, I couldn't find my Dremel, so I just kept using the needle nose and got that pretty flush. Take our double-sided. Looks pretty good. So for the rear, I did this off camera. You're just gonna take a set of needle nose and I grabbed the bottom of the emblem and then just started pulling upwards, and then it eventually just snapped in half. And on the backs of this one, there were 2 tabs that are, I'm guessing it's a rivet on the back of this trim piece. So those I just broke off, and then you can use a right angle pick and then push those through, and they just popped out where the latch is. And then just use some isopropyl alcohol, clean this up, got all the dirt out. And then same as the front, so we have our H, and I'll put a part number somewhere over here. This also has a set of tabs that we have to cut off, grind down, be as flush as possible, because you can tell like those tabs should be like up here, but they're not. One more quick spray. Just using regular isopropyl alcohol. I just used needle nose and I got that as flush as possible. Peel off our tape. So it does leave like a little gap down here. I'm guessing it's because on the back, as you saw before this, there were like 2 little humps. If it really bothers you, I guess you could file those down so this has a flatter surface, but I don't think it's really much of an issue for me.